apple, red and round. B is for bear, big and brown. C is for carrot, crunchy and sweet. D is for dog with happy feet.
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swim and play. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for horse, the fastest you've seen.
I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, good for your tummy. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for lemon, give it a try. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nose, and also for peas. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pig, rolling on the ground.
Q is for queen bee, buzzing away. R is for rabbit, hopping all day. S is for strawberry, sweet and red. T is for tiger with stripes on its head.
U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for vegetables in so many ways. W is for watermelon, big and pink. X is for xylophone, clink, clink, clink. Y is for yogurt, smooth and white. Z is for zebra, black and white. ABCD, come sing along with me. Fruits and animals everywhere. Fun and learning we can share. E to Z, so much to see. Come and sing the